bullish R value expectation is $11.51 to $25.87. The R cost will likewise reach $30 soon. R's negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.64. In Arweave's cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and a lot other data about R to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. Arweave current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of R is $8.93 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $21,891,932 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, R has diminished almost 5.9% as of now. Besides, R has a coursing supply of 33,394,701 R. At present, R exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, CoinW, Bybit, and BingX. What is Arweave? Arweave is a decentralized stockpiling stage that tries to give a stage to the endless stockpiling of data. Besides, accounting for itself as an all-in-all claimed hard drive which won't ever be neglected. All the more in this way, the organization at first has the PerMob. Outstandingly, PerMob is a long-lasting decentralized web with numerous local area-driven stages and applications. Arweave Value Forecast 2022. Arweave stands firm on the 80th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. R Cost Forecast 2022 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span. An even channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of somewhere around 4 contact focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs something like 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Trading pressure is equivalent, and the overall course of cost activity is sideways. Level channels give an unmistakable and precise method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. At the point when the cost raises a ruckus around town of the channel, sell your current long position or take a short position. The contrast between the other two is that an even channel is portrayed as having equivalent ups and downs. As of now, R is in the scope of $8.93. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of R could arrive at the opposition level of $18.15 and $41.55. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of R might tumble to $12.23 and $8.33. Arweave backing and obstruction level. The underneath diagram shows the help and obstruction level of R. From the above day-to-day time period, it is clear coming up next are the opposition and backing levels of R. The graphs show that R has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, R could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $25.87. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the R could dive to nearly $7.64, a negative sign. Arweave Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of R is displayed in the beneath graph. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for merchants. Presently, the RVOL of R lies underneath the end line, demonstrating more vulnerable members in the latest thing. All the more thus, the R's moving normal is displayed in the graph above. As of now, R is in a bullish state. Eminently, the R cost somewhat lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a descending pattern. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of R whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength file of the R is at level 47.97. This implies that R is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of R might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Arweave Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at Arweave's typical directional record. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Arweaves. At present, R lies in the scope of 18.98, so it shows a powerless pattern. From the above diagram, the overall instability file of R. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time instead of cost changes. The RVI of R lies underneath the 50 levels, showing that the heading of instability is low. As a matter of fact, R's RSI is at 47.97 levels, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of R with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Arweave. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC, and R as moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of R likewise increments or diminishes individually. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Arweave could likely achieve $35 by 2023. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Arweave could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, AR could mobilize to hit $40 by 2024. Arweave Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Arweave supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, AR would energize to hit $48. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Arweave supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, AR would mobilize to hit $60. Arweave Value Expectation 2027. If Arweave supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, AR would energize to hit $70. Arweave Value Expectation 2028. If Arweave holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, AR would hit $75 in 2028. Arweave Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Arweave, it would observe significant spikes. AR could hit $80 by 2029. Arweave Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Arweave environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into AR for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Arweave could hit $90 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Arweave organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for AR. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Arweave in 2022 is $25.87. Then again, the negative AR cost expectation for 2022 is $7.64. Moreover, with the progressions and overhauls on the AR biological system, the presentation of AR would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high $89.24 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $30 on the off chance that the financial backers accept that AR is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Arweave? Arweave is a decentralized stockpiling stage that looks to give a stage to the endless stockpiling of data. 2. Where might you at any point buy AR? AR has recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, CoinW, Bybit, and BingX. 3. Will AR come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the AR stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Arweave? On November 5, 2021, AR arrived at its new all-time high of $89.24. 5. Is AR a wise interest in 2022? Arweave is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of AR in the beyond couple of months, AR is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Arweave reach $30? Arweave is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. Ultimately,